इजी इजी वाले रखेंगे अब आपके लिए, ठीक है? आपको ऑनेस्ट आंसर्स देने हैं, बस येस या नो के, ठीक है? तो मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी, आपको क्वेश्चन खत्म होते ही इंस्टेंटली यू हैव टू रेज अ येस और अ नो, जो भी है, ठीक है? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो इट्स लाइक अ रैपिड फायर. ओके. कभी आपने अपना कोई भी आउटफिट 3 बारी से ज्यादा रिपीट करा है? यस. ओके. कभी सिर्फ सेल लगी है किसी ब्रांड पे उसको देखकर आउटफिट्स खरीदे हैं जो कभी डाले भी नहीं?
ऑल द टाइम. डांट भी पड़ती है इसके लिए.
ओके, ग्रेट. सो दिस वन इज अ लिटिल सीरियस. डू यू हैव क्लोज फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली जो आपको पता है दे आर जेलस ऑफ यू बट यू स्टिल जेल अलोंग जस्ट टू फॉर द सेक ऑफ फैमिली?
यस. सड़ा के भी मजा आता है.
ओके, दैट्स द स्पिरिट. कभी आपके रिश्तेदारों ने फ्री का काम कराने के लिए खुद से क्लोज रिलेशनशिप्स बनाया आपके साथ? यस.
यस.
मोस्टली
रिश्तेदार बने किस लिए?
फायदा उठाने के लिए. कुछ हमारे व्यूअर्स के क्वेश्चंस है कि आपका स्टार्टिंग में शायद बजट लो था इसलिए आपने खुद ही डबल रोल कर लिया रील्स में. इज दैट ट्रू?
No.
Okay, so that was out of pure intention to
It
not
was,
dependent.
It was not to be dependent on somebody's mood or somebody's timetable to create a reel so that I can make more reels.
कैसे questions पूछते हो यार तुम लोग? Great. Thank you, Tanya. I think you've given wonderfully honest answers.
Yeah.
So let's quickly move on to the next part of this game segment. So whom would you collab, wear or reject out of these designers? So your options are Sabyasachi Mukherjee, Rahul Kapoor and Rohit Bal.
So I would like to wear Sabyasachi Mukherjee and Rohit Bal is no more. So with due respect, I would have loved to collab with him.
Okay.
And Rahul Kapoor is like my dear brother. I don't want to say it, but I can get away with rejecting his outfit. Okay. Though he makes very beautiful clothes, I must say.
Okay, so Tanya is trying to cover it up, but she's clearly rejected Rahul Kapoor.
No, I haven't clearly rejected. With due respect, I love his work.
Okay, so you would reject Rahul Kapoor?
No.
See, you were going to lose the hamper. For the hamper? Okay, all right. Which of the following Bollywood celebrity would you collab, befriend or reject? Shah Rukh Khan, Kartik Aaryan or Vicky Kaushal?
Shah Rukh Khan, befriend.
Okay.
And
I knew that.
Yeah, collab with. I can reject Kartik Aaryan. I like him, but I can reject Kartik Aaryan. What is the third thing?
Vicky Kaushal.
Vicky Kaushal, Punjabi bhai.
Yeah. Collab with Vicky Kaushal?
Yes, collab with Vicky Kaushal.
Vicky Kaushal.
Kaushal.
Nice. So Vicky Kaushal, if you are watching this show, probably in few years from now, do collab with designer Tanya Malhotra. She's a wonderful designer, and I have initiated this collab. So do take me as an actress in that collab.
I'll also faint like he did in Coffee with Karan.
Yeah. Great. Okay. Which Punjabi superstar would you collab, befriend or reject? Okay. Diljit Dosanjh, Karan Aujla, Gippy Garewal.
So I'll collab with Diljit Dosanjh. His songs make my reach go way higher.
Yeah.
And then I would be friends with Karan Aujla. He'll get my stuff from Dubai.
Okay.
And
मेरे लिए भी मंगवा लेना.
Yeah. And I can reject Gippy Garewal.
Okay, so I'm sorry Gippy Garewal, she likes your songs, but she's rejecting you for the hamper. Thank you.